3, 2, 1, go! Okay, guys, so I think I have very detailed instructions written here, but for those of you that are visual learners, we're going to go through this, and I'm going to show you how to do it. Because the other one was done by my beloved colleague, and it's a slightly different way, the earlier graph. So this is a little bit more detailed and a little bit more professional, so you're going to increase your skill sets. So first, you're going to open the Google Sheets. It's the same, either one of them, okay? So you're going to make a copy of it, so it's going to open right up because it's handy that way. And it's set so that anyone with the link can view, which is really important. You guys know that to do that, you go up here, right? So first I'm going to make a copy. And you might call it, you might have your name on there, right? I'll just say Prof S, and I don't care who I share it with. This is just a demo anyway. Okay, so now I've got my copy there. I can actually just close that guy down so I don't change that. I don't think you guys can change it anyway, so there's not a big danger of that. Now when I was doing this on my own, I actually had it open up in a different window, like so that I didn't have to toggle back and forth, and you may choose to do that. Okay, so we're going to start out with number one, population growth. Select all the cells with population in billions, then click on Insert and then Chart. Okay, all the cells with population in billions. So I'm not selecting the word billions, just the actual numerical stuff. And then I go up to Insert, and then, oops, sorry, it just wiggled a little bit, and then Chart. Working, there we go. Now, let's head back to there. So I did that, cool. Now it says, click on the graph to open the chart editor window. To get the x-axis to show the years, click on the chart and choose data range from the pop-up menu. Chart editor, x-axis, years. Okay, hold on. Click on the chart editor, add an x-axis, and we actually click on this right here, that little box. And then I'm gonna move this guy out of the way if I can. There we go. Okay, so I want to get years, so I can cover it up. It's okay. So I'm telling it what range to select, and it's going to be all these years. And then I press OK. Aha! Now it actually gave us the proper axis that we wanted. Now click on Add X-axis, then the grid on the right side. Oh, that's the one that I already did. Sorry, guys. So now we're on here. Click on the Customize tab. Click on the Customize tab of your chart editor window, and then the Series tab, and assign the point size a value of 7, whatever px is probably, pixels. So we're in Customize, Series, right there. We got that right there, 7px. Okay. Yours might not be set up like that, but mine probably is because I just did this graph a little bit ago. Scroll down a little and click on Data Label so the population size appears right next to each point. So from this window, then we go down to Data Labels right there. Think. Okay. Next step. On the Customize tab of the Chart Editor window, which is now open, select Chart and Axis Titles. Okay. So we go back to Customize here. See, it's already open there. We have to go back up here. Chart and Axis Titles. And now the title in title text of the graph is going to read World Population. Oops. Oh my goodness. There we go. Okay, so now we got a chart title there. Cool. Now we're going to change the horizontal axis, change from chart title now to horizontal axis, which I just did. Add time in years. Okay, and now we're going to change the vertical axis. Okay, now we select vertical axis and add the title population in billions. Oh, watch this, because I'm lazy. I don't want to have to type it again. Population in billions. Okay, I think we're good to go there. Click on the graph to select it, and then click on the 3 dots on the top right of your graph choose copy chart to paste your graph into a document. So since you're going to put them all together, right up here, copy the chart, and then you can paste it. And there you go. You're going to do that 3 times for the graphs, but ultimately it's the same. You're just using different data set that's on the Google Sheet. Now keep in mind too, you can move this guy around so you can get it out of the way. Yeah. I hope that's clear. I hope it makes sense, and I hope you don't pull your hair out because it's Excel stuff, but it's pretty straightforward. So good luck.